1 year ago, I decided to start working on my very own game in Unity called Aspect Galaxy, a project so huge and so insurmountable, planning to spiral thousands of star systems and thousands of players all interacting on the exact same server at the same time. And 1 year ago, I decided to make this dream a reality. I set my sights upon the Unity game engine and opened a project for the first time entitled New Game. Now at this point, I had no idea really what I was doing. I knew a few very basic things I could do. I had a background in computers after all. That was about it. And I really struggled in creating a multiplayer game. For a couple of few weeks, I had a very basic server and client system going, where you could log in. Objects like asteroids, planets, stars would all spawn into custom configurations depending on what star system the player was in. Then I added the inventory system and went on to create some models. But it does in fact turn out that I'm a talentless hack. So instead of going to Blender, I went to Fiverr. And with all this progress, all this motivation, where did the project go next? Well, I went on a 6-month break. And during this break, I had a lot of real life stuff to deal with. I couldn't work on the project at all. And upon returning, I had much to do. I just wasted the last 6 months. I was really far behind where I wanted to be. And the project was still extremely basic. We hadn't got any real functionality going yet, so I quickly worked on the ability to mine asteroids in a very basic form, with basic shaders, just to get some functionality going. From there, I added a view system so you could interact with the objects around you, lock targets, which was used to direct your fire from your lasers or your turrets. From there, I was able to add the actual turrets, so now you can lock players and shoot them. All of this sounds pretty easy, but in reality it was very, very difficult due to a thing called netcode. And netcode is like your second cousin. You want to have a mutually beneficial relationship with them. You just want to get on. Instead, they have this really nasty habit of just getting drunk, sitting on the porch, passing out, and proceeding to be sick all over themselves and creating this incredibly low self-esteem.